No, sir. The house is nice and brighty. No, sir. What them have up here? Me nah ask Christ. Up here look good. I wouldn't get big light from. What is? Yes, girl. Hey guys, welcome back, and you're in tune to the Tovia channel where everything's good here. And as you guys can see, I've asked and I have received. I recently got a I recently received a ring light as a gift. Thank you so much. I never asked in vain. And it was actually purchased on Amazon. I'll leave the link in the description box down below, and it is a 10-inch LED ring light. It's very affordable and very easy to install. It's not one of the heavier ones. It's really light, and it was shipped directly to me here in Jamaica. I received it in good time and in good condition. So let's get right into the video. I am so excited to be doing this video, mainly because it was an opportunity that I didn't expect would land its way on my channel. Not recently, months ago, I entered an online Instagram giveaway, and guess what? I came first. Like, I'm normally skeptic about those stuff, but I actually won. And I received my package in the mail, and that's what you guys are seeing now. I'm going to go ahead and do an unboxing of the product. So the store's name is Sivad Naturals on Instagram, and they offer 100% natural, vegan, cruelty-free products for, of course, natural kinky hair girls. And the business is owned and operated by a young black female. Love to see it. And I'm not gonna say no more on. I'm gonna just start the unboxing. You guys are gonna see what I'm talking about. Okay, so the package arrived. I can't show you the package, guys. I'm so sorry. It have a lot of. So this is the package, guys. I can't show you guys the labeling around the bag, but it was packaged nicely and everything. The store also has a hair butter. I didn't receive it in this package, but I'm supposed to get it soon. Look here. Look on all of this. Nice something. Look on them. Look here. People, if your packaging not come with them fluff something here, it means that the store not ready. Them not going with no quality. Me thinks them package nice. Okay, and they also added a business card, a nice little personal touch. They said thank you for supporting my small business and dream, and they provided some links. I will of course drop them in the description box down below. Okay, so honestly, I filmed the video here very late. I already did start use. Already started using their growth elixir. Sorry guys, I had to pop open the bag and just reach for this because I was running out of oil. Thank you, Sivad. And this is their, I can't really pronounce this word, Ayurvedic hair growth elixir, and it's infused with 9 strengthening and growth boosting Ayurvedic herbs. I really need to look up that word. Sounds interesting. And it reduces breakage and shedding, nourishes the scalp for all hair types. And I've been using this so this came about a month ago, and I'm using this in my hair for about 3 weeks or little under 2 weeks, and I totally love it. Now the smell of it, it's very herby. I can tell you, the scent is very herby. So I'm going to read what's on the bottle for you guys. Ayurvedic herbs are properly used amongst Indians because of their ability to promote hair growth, reduce hair fall out, and strengthen the hair follicles. 9 of these amazing Ayurvedic herbs, I hope I'm pronouncing it right, were infused into the oil for 3 to 4 weeks, making this very potent elixir one to transform your hair and rejuvenate the shaft from the inside out. No salts, mineral oil, petroleum, parabens, sulfates, silicones, fragrances. And yet it says yes, it's infused for 3 weeks, it seals in moisture, perfect for daily use, lightweight and non-greasy. And as I said, I've been using this for a while now. I've been using it on my scalp. I've also used it in my wash routine when I'm using my conditioner, and I'm telling you, this stuff feels so good on my hair. I haven't been seeing much shedding. My hair sheds a lot and I haven't been seeing much shedding. And you can also use this as a hot oil treatment. So this type of oil is really good for penetration of the shaft and so forth, and it just makes everything moisturized. I know say me love your ear. When any product I tell me say, my ear I go get moisturized. Okay. Probably I can tell you guys a couple of the ingredients in there. So there's sun power, henna, amla, horsetail, lavender, aloe vera, extra virgin olive oil, Jamaican black castor oil, sweet almond oil, and a bunch of other ingredients. Wow, that's why it smells so strong. I love it though. So the next product is their lip gloss, and it's actually a fruity watermelon. It doesn't have much sheen on it. It's a watermelon fruity type of flavored lip gloss, and look, it comes with rose petals inside, and I love a good lip gloss that gives me flavor and it's not over dramatic. I'm gonna try it now, please. Oh, it smells so good. I love it. Ooh. So it doesn't have much sheen. Some days I'll go for like those type of heavy thick lip gloss, but this one, because it gives a natural feel, and once it's applied, it's like a light daytime wear type of lip gloss. You can use it as a topper for your lipsticks, or you can just use it just to nourish your lips. But anyways, let's get into the main thing I want to show you guys that I haven't tried as yet. I haven't tried it as yet, guys. You guys seen it? You guys seen it? It's their hair and scalp rings. I'm gonna tell you, I've never heard of a hair rings tea rings. What? Sivad, what is that? Let me read the label and tell you guys exactly what it does. So this is a powerful blend of 10 herbs and botanicals to combat hair loss, boost growth, strengthen hair, treat scalp conditions, and increase blood circulation. Like, this is what caught my eye once I found the page and then entered the giveaway. I was like, this sounds so good. Is it even true? Like, I really want to try it. Sivad, that's the only reason why I enter the giveaway. I don't care about nothing else wanna have. Well, I care about this and the lip gloss. I don't care about nothing else wanna have. Nothing else. And it's in it actually contains actual tea bags that you have to add to. It says 2 cups hot water, and you allow it to brew for 4 to 24 hours, and the longer the brew, the more potent. I hope you guys are following with me, because I'm going to split this video in 2 parts, and I'm filming obviously at night. You guys are hearing the dogs outside. They're my yip yip. Now this is where I split the video, and I'm gonna show you guys how I brew the tea and apply it to my hair as I do my co-wash or my shampoo. Anyone that I feel to do tomorrow morning. Hey again guys, so this is segment 2, and here I am just adding water to the pot. I actually decided on not using too much water because my spray bottle is small and I didn't want too much hair tea rings. Okay, so I decided on this amount of water, and then I just added the pot, added the water, added the water in the pot to the stove. Anyways, I put the water to boil and when it came at this point, no water boil, right? I know that it was ready for the tea. But before I add the tea, I wanted to show you guys the packaging. It came in this lovely brown sealed envelope type of packaging, and I actually had a bit of an issue opening the seal, but here I am tearing off the top, and then I went ahead and opened it. Now the herbs in this tea bag smells so good. My favorite part was just the surprise that I got when I opened and saw these cute little quotes on the tea bag packaging. This was cute. This was a cute moment. You know, like each tea bag had their own little quote or their own little phrase. As you can see, it's very thick and plush, and it has a lot of herbs in it, much bigger than regular tea bags, and the package contains 6 tea bags. So the water boil at this point, and I'm adding the tea bag and just squeezing it out in the water. I actually ended up tearing off the little phrase because it's like paper, and I had to tear it off, and there I am just squeezing out the tea bag, giving it some time to just soak into the hot water. And as I said, I didn't want much water, so that's why you're seeing this little bit amount. And then I covered it and left it overnight for this. Wrapped this up at about 8 p.m. to 8 a.m. the next day. So I just finished washing my hair and detangling it. This is a t-shirt that I use when I'm drying my hair, but I'm not drying my hair now. I just wanted to show you guys. I use it after I finish the entire wash, and I use my cotton t-shirt. So here is the spray bottle with the hair rings, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply it. So when I detangle my hair, I like to put it in twists so that it's already separated. I'm gonna show you guys how detangled it is. See? That's how detangled it is. Then now what I'm gonna do is just let me do it. Just it actually smells nice. Like, I love smelling herbal teas because I'm a green tea type of person. Smells really nice. It smells so good, and it smells so healthy, guys. And I'm just massaging it in as I spray, and I'm gonna gonna do that for the other sections, and then I'm gonna finish off with my conditioner, and I'm gonna rinse it out. Some herbal teas you can leave in. I'm gonna actually leave this in. I'm gonna do it again with my routine a couple other times, and I'm gonna leave it in versus rinsing it out and tell you guys what I think probably on my Instagram. But for now, I'm just putting it in, massaging it in, then I'm gonna condition my hair, and that's basically my routine for today with the Sivad Naturals hair tea rings. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and hit that subscribe button. Comment down below, tell me what you think about this video. Have you ever tried a hair tea before? Would you try a hair tea? And what other unorthodox hair treatments you guys have tried before? Comment down below and let me know. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and again, share it with a friend. Bye guys.